Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix common problem on Amazon TV Fire. If your Fire TV is frozen, slow, showing a blank screen, or not opening properly, follow these steps. First, try restarting your Fire TV. Unplug the Fire TV from your power outlet. Wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Turn on your TV and wait for the Fire TV screen load. This fixes many small problems. If you see a black screen or no signal, check your TV input. Use your TV remote and press input or source. Select the HDMI port where the Fire TV is connected. Try switching HDMI port if needed. Fire TV needs a strong internet connection. For that, go to Settings, then Network, and make sure your Wi-Fi is connected. If streaming is slow, reset your Wi-Fi router by unplugging it for the 30 seconds. If the apps are freezing or crashing, clear their cache. Go to Settings, then Application, then Manage Installed Apps. Select the problem app, then tap Clear Cache. Do not clear data unless necessary. An outdated software can cause problem. For that, go to Setting, then My Fire TV, then About, tap Check for update and install any available update. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.